Okay? She may come down again. But right now we're going to be long. Expecting us to go back up to those lines. And that's exactly what they do. You see? So we hit this projection. And we hit this projection. Are we short? It depends. Where are we at on the histogram? Now, this is where we're at. Okay? We can't see the future. This is where we're at. We've had a new move up. Okay? And on the next bar, okay, look at the histogram, 27:30 on the next bar. Okay? It suggests this is still going up. Okay? We may want to wait before we execute a short trade. Now let's look at what's happened here. We did come down, we went yellow, but look how far we are from that line. We shouldn't be going short that far. We want to be into the line. Okay? And ideally higher than the line when we short the market. So if we take a short trade in here, all right, if we shorted it in here, the market moved up a little bit more for us. Notice, and this is a little hard to see, but notice the blue bar here. We want to be short after the last blue bar. And here, for example, it's after the blue. We wouldn't want to be short in here. Or pardon me, if we've seen this blue bar, we may want to hold off before we execute a trade. Here, on the other hand, is the better entry. Right there. Okay? We've hit that projection. Let's get rid of that line. That line was created at 11:36. It was created at 11:36. It doesn't get hit again until 12:49. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, we're short. Where's this market going to go? Well, we didn't draw any of these lines. Okay? But we had lines in here, right in here. This was yellow. Let's do it here. Okay? And notice where she goes. Right back into the line. Okay. It's continuing to move down and going lower. Okay? So all of these projected points were hit. Here, 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 right into this line again. But then notice we get a blue bar here. Where are we at on the histogram? That's where we're at. Now, the ideal time to be going long is on a higher low and a lower high. We have in our system the ability to project how far the VIX is likely going to go before it moves. Now this is where we're at. As I mentioned a minute ago, we're right here. Let me show you something. You see these yellow double asterisks? The yellow double asterisks are generally the point at which the market turns. We don't have a double asterisk here. Look where we do. It's over here. So we would be looking at our other data here to tell us where we are likely going to make the move. Another approach to take is that, generally speaking, our low is not going to happen until we bounce into, when the VIX and the trend bounces into the bands. Interesting, isn't it? We wouldn't be taking a short trade at this time. We wouldn't be ready to do that yet. Okay? Would we be looking to go long here? Okay? The histogram is suggesting there's going to be a move here. There's some real strength right in here. Real strength. Now, we may choose, and this is where we're at right now, we may choose to go ahead and go long right in here. But see what was happening at the bottom here? You were all yellow. It's likely going to be coming back on us. So, had we gone long, let's get rid of this yellow line. Yellow line was created a long time ago. Okay, here we are. Because of the histogram, had we gone long right in here, all right, that's more like it. Where do the screws move up to? They almost move up into the next green line. They do exceed this. And I'm going to leave this green line here for other reasons.